Good morning. Today is our third day of this trip. We are leaving the town Beitun so that we can head to one of the main highlights of the northern part of Xinjiang, which is Kanas. And over there, we will see like the Moon Bay, which is what they're really famous of. The drive is about 3.5 hours.
A few moments later.
So guys, we had arrived at the Kanas National Park. It is the end of the fall, autumn here. This is the map of this whole area. It is humongous. That's why sometimes it takes people 4 days to finish the area. Right now, we're at Kanas Scenic Area. Tomorrow, we're going to Hemu Scenic Area. So guys, remember we talked about how China differentiates the level of beauty by how many A's. So this one, of course, typical China. This is another 5A tourist destination. Cannot wait to show you because I know it is absolutely breathtaking. I mean, I'm sure there are many people who always try to think that this is more beautiful than Switzerland or if Switzerland is more beautiful. But to me, they all have their own beauty. So it's just that people don't expect China to have these type of scenic places. And so that's what I'm here to show you guys. As this is the end of the season, that's why we're quite lucky, even because it's right after Golden Week. Kids are back to school. That's why we came at this time, so it's less people, cheaper, and you can still see the beauty of everything. Oh, guys, just look at this scenery, my God. We are now on the shuttle to go to Guanyuai, which is like a scenic point. It is a tower that has 1,060 steps going up. But up there, supposedly, the view that you will be able to see is the most beautiful, I heard. It looks like it is going to be nice.
After we got off the shuttle, we decided to go up by horses instead of going the 1,000 steps, right? It cost 120 yuan and the ride was about 15 minutes, so you can do that as well if you like to.
So Denise and I figured out that we have to sing this song. It is a very old song. When we were like a child, that was this really popular drama. So whenever we're in this place, one of the lyrics, right, says, "You are wind and I'm sand." So when we were on the horse, there was so much sand, right? So all we could think of was that song. Oh, look how beautiful, guys. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this. Wow, so pretty. Turquoise, no Photoshop, no filter. Remember I said 1,068 steps? So it actually tells you how many steps left.
Wow.
It's so beautiful here, guys. Absolutely must come. If you do get to Kanas National Park, and you do have a choice to come up or not, because the ticket here is very hard to get. There's only 600 tickets a day, but because right now it's the end of the season, so we were able to come up without like fighting for the tickets. I'm gonna put a link in the description box below, or you can just have your guide help you get it. The view is really worth it, and you can definitely ride the horse like we did, because 15-minute ride, and I think it's worth it. It's not even about the value. It's like you get to be on a horse with like really beautiful scenery, and when you come up here, you only have to take 100 something more steps. This is the food court. There are different types of food: fried chicken, boutique, noodle, yogurt. So this is the chicken place. It's like the KFC of China. Now we are at this double lake bridge. We are walking to Kanas Lake, which is the lake we saw from up top at the Guanyuai. I think. We'll see. Everywhere is so scenic. And now we're gonna see many cows. And they're also big and heavy and fat. So cute. They must be so happy living here. Look at this, so pretty. We are at the lake now. Look how pretty. All right, so bathroom situation. There are seated toilets here. So just probably don't go to the tourist center where all the restaurants are because that one smells so bad. This one doesn't smell good either, but at least the floor is wet and there are like seated toilets. I know that's a very important question for so many of you. Wow. All right, guys, this is the last stop of the day. This is the moon viewing platform because it's in the shape of a moon. You can tell, beautiful, isn't it? This was absolutely my favorite section in the whole geo park. This is the Sleeping Dragon Bay. I will show you an aerial footage because it will look like a dragon sleeping. Of course, when you eat with Denise, there's always going to be wine. So we picked this Nia wine from the Xinjiang area as a cat. Honestly, this one I think is only so-so. But we ordered that on the street, like the signature bread. I mean, we ate half of it already, but it's bigger than her face still. We ordered this very local lamb and chicken stew as is famous there. This is very simple, I guess somewhat Japanese style because of the wood. This hotel, I will tell you, I will put a link below. It is on trip.com.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. We had just arrived at Hemu, spells Hemu, H-E-M-U. We're gonna go in to this scenic area now. It is also part of Kanas National Park. It's just about 30 minutes away. There are coffee everywhere and eggs like magnets, hats, and then you have this mobile coffee cart. Guys, so surprisingly, there is oat milk latte here. So of course, you guys know me by now. I'm a coffee freak. I had already chewed this morning at 7. I brought these like drip coffee from Brazil and Yunnan from the vlog that you guys saw maybe just a couple weeks ago. Got it, got my oat milk latte. Going in to take the cable car. Hopefully we can still see the sea of clouds up top, but it's not promising because the sun is out now. We're gonna take 2 cable cars actually. Have to transfer so that we can get to the top. 188 per person, 2,800 meters. Yay! Tissue paper. This is so funny. In a cable car. And I guess you can ski and snowboard here. The name of this ski resort is called Jikepulin Ski Resort. It's an international resort. There are quite a few routes. Oh, you can totally tell in the winter it must be really pretty. You can tell they have pretty good facility here. I will try to find out more if you're interested. Just comment below. Transferring cable car. All right, guys, we are up here. Look behind us. Wow. Is it pretty? Beautiful.
So beautiful.
So beautiful. Yeah. A photo spot here. Beautiful. All right, another spot for photos. It says 我的阿拉塔. I mean, this is the name of the mountain range, I should say, of the area. These are the Tibetan praying wheels. It is very heavily influenced by the Tibetan culture. And of course, there are many praying flags.
These flags dance in the wind, a tradition centuries old. Each color carries meaning. Blue for sky, white for clouds, red for fire, green for water, and yellow for earth. But what makes them truly special are the sacred mantras printed on them.
That's the name of this mountain. You will see all these rocks. They are also for praying wishes as well. These are called manza, meaning mandala. You can do swings here as well. Alright, this is the food court here for the ski resort. Mainly Chinese food, noodles. They have a lot of beef and lamb noodle and rice and dumplings. So that's why I'm getting the dumplings. What are these? These are more different types of noodle. And of course the spicy skewers. And these you just have to pick and they will make it for you and you can tell them how spicy you want it. I ordered chicken dumplings. As you know, over in this area there's no pork. We arrived at the Hemu village area. So this area is known to be like the Switzerland of Asia, actually, not only China, because of all these wooden cottage houses. I'm going to show you in a second. And when it snows, especially in the wintertime, it's absolutely breathtaking. And in the summertime, because it's so green, so many flowers, so known to be like, it's like the closest place to heaven. That's what they call it. We're here to look at these wooden cottages and yes, it is quite commercial here though. And many people do stay here at nighttime. Alright, the unique side, these are sweet potatoes. They roast it in here, it looks really cool. Wow, legit, I like that. Yes, maybe we'll buy the sweet potatoes later. Look at these wooden cottages. So what do you guys think? Is it beautiful? I wish I have time to take some pictures here this time. Absolutely beautiful weather. You guys know me by now. Magnets and magnets. So I bought this magnet, guys, and they're gonna write my name on it right now. We are gonna go to the most iconic spot here in this Hemu village, which is the Hemu Bridge. It's all the way at the end, and it actually has the name on the wooden board on the top. That's the reason why everyone takes pictures there. Niece is holding it. Yeah. Like a puppy. Yes, so cute. Aww. Over there is a roasted lamb, a whole lamb over there. Do you see that? Order as skewers because they look super duper fresh. Over here, just on the side. This is what she ordered. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow!
Super nice.
Super nice. Must be good. So they always say Xinjiang's lamb is the best in the world. If you have had lamb in Xinjiang, you cannot have it elsewhere because you cannot even, it cannot even compare.
Another beautiful day here at Kanas Park, but now it was time to head to another park of Xinjiang where even more magnificent landscape were waiting for us. The drive took about 4 hours that night, but it was totally worth it. We ended up staying at one of the nicest hotels of our entire Xinjiang trip.
These are the rooms. They upgraded us from the tent, so we are very, very happy. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Really, 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 really nice, I have to say.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. So if you have any questions about anywhere in China, just hit me up, email me, and go to my website. And next week, I'm going to be showing you my favorite place in Xinjiang. It is absolutely breathtaking. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.